And the next app is this really cute app. And like this new post, I just posted it and it's so cute. I love it. Thank you guys so much for 5K. It means the world to me. So first, obviously the accessories. This is not really an accessory, but I use the iPad 8th generation. I actually did an unboxing for this, so I'll put in the icon on the left side. I think it's the right. If you guys want to check that out. And then I use the Apple 1st generation, which is the one that you plug into charge, because I have the iPad 8th generation. And now onto what's on my iPad. So for the first app, I have like a folder called Entertain. The first app is Spotify. I love me some music. I am Unati on there, but spelled a different way. I'll just put it on the screen if you guys want to check out my Spotify. And the next app I have is Books, Apple Books. I don't really read much on there. I like physically reading books, not on my iPad, but I think I am reading a book on there, but I'm not sure what it's called. And the next app is Pinterest. If you guys subscribe to my channel or know my channel or know me, you guys probably know that I love Pinterest. I'm literally on there every single day. Yeah, follow me on Pinterest. Put my username on the screen. I've done like some nice boards, and I really like the way it's set out. So if you guys want to follow me on there, follow me. Yeah, as you can see, I was kind of getting hooked to the screen because I literally love Pinterest. Like, I think it's the best app I have on my phone, probably, or that I use the most. So the next app is podcasts. I don't really listen to much podcasts, but I listen to them when I'm like doing something like cleaning my room or something like that. I listen mostly to Anything Goes by Emma Chamberlain. So the next app is Apple TV. For Apple TV, I got Apple Originals free because I got my iPad, and it comes with Apple Originals free for I think a month, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I've just been trying to watch some of them. I haven't found anything, but if anyone knows Apple Originals that are like really good, I'd like to know, because I've been looking for them and I can't really find any. And so the next folder is creativity. The first app there is obviously GoodNotes. You guys know that. I love GoodNotes. I actually did a how I take notes on my iPad. I'll put it in the iCard on the right of the screen. For GoodNotes, I use it for planning my YouTube videos sometimes, and doing school, like studying. And for some reason I skipped Procreate, but I will do it at the end. So I have Fonto as the next app. Fonto I basically use to make my thumbnails. I use this as like an example to show you guys that you can like change the color and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I use to make my thumbnails, to add text to my thumbnails. the next app I have is called Flora. I use this app to study sometimes when I want to keep my iPad, or I normally use my iPad to study, so I don't really know why it's on there, but sometimes when I use my laptop, I normally use that, and it's kind of like a plant, and then when you like go on something on the iPad, it will like damage your plant basically, so you're kind of growing a plant as you are doing something productive. So the next app is CapCut and VLLO. They're very similar apps. I use these to edit my videos, and sometimes I do have to delete my videos on the apps. That's why they're very plain, just because of some space issues and stuff like that. If you guys didn't know, my iPad's 32 gigabytes, so yeah, I sometimes have space issues, but yeah, I managed to resolve them by just deleting the videos on the apps. And the next folder is called I don't know because I didn't know what to name it. Obviously the first app is the App Store. I actually do have Apple Arcade for free because of my iPad again. I don't really don't have any apps downloaded from there, but yeah, I try it out once in a while. And then obviously I have photos, then find my iPhone or iPad, and I have notes. This is normally where I do my descriptions for my videos, as you guys can see. The next apps are like calendar, camera, clock, things like Safari, and then I have the Bible because I like reading the Bible, and then I have Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me there, what are you doing? I literally say follow me every single video, and like this new post, I just posted it and it's so cute. I love it. Comment down below what you guys think of it, and follow me on my Instagram, definitely. I post a lot there. Recently I've been posting a lot there. And then I have Amazon. Obviously almost everyone knows what Amazon is. It's like where you order stuff. I don't really have to explain. I don't know where I am. But yeah. And then the next folder is the I don't know 2.0 because I didn't know what to name it again. I have Apple Music. I don't use Apple Music at all because I have Spotify, and I wouldn't really like to pay for music. I know some people prefer it, but I prefer Spotify, so yeah. Then I have voice memos. Don't really use it, that's why it's kind of new. Then I have maps, mail, kind of new because I prefer to use Gmail. I have FaceTime, Urban Outfitters, which is like a clothing store app. I love Urban Outfitters. Some of the things there are really expensive, but I just like looking at them, I guess, and hoping that I can buy them someday. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot on my wish list, which probably tells a lot about me, that I like shopping there. Not really shopping, window shopping, but you know, whatever. Then I have Google Notes, where I can like back up my YouTube videos or my photos in case I don't have any space. And then I have Notion. You guys know I talk about this app literally. I don't have good things to say because I literally love this app since I am a YouTuber, as you can tell, so it can get a bit hard to manage stuff, but this app really helps me do that. And as you can see, I kind of like made it, organized it. It looks very aesthetic and I'm loving it, with a like brown list, reading list and stuff like that. And obviously my goals are reach 5k. All thanks to you guys. I love you guys so much. So ticked off that goal. And yeah, thank you guys for 5k. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Next goal is 6k, but thank you guys so much for 5k. It means the world to me. And obviously here I decided to go back to Procreate, as I remembered that I forgot to show it before. But yeah, this I have like stacks, which are folders. This was when I did the Turn Art Styles challenge. I actually did a video on it, so I'll put the icon up. I actually have so many icons in this video, it's crazy, but if you guys want to check that out, you can. Then I have the portraits that I've done so far. I've done some, but then I've deleted them because I'm a perfectionist, if you guys didn't know that. So if I don't like something, I will delete it. So these are the ones that I've saved. There's some that I don't like, but you know, I've just learned to just keep it there as like memories of like the growth. Like if I want to make growth videos, there's no use because I mean they'll all be deleted because I don't like them. So I've just learned to keep them there. Then I have Widgetsmith, which is like what the app that does like my widgets, the aesthetic ones that you guys probably saw at the start. Then I have YouTube Studio, which I'm not really gonna open, PayPal, Gmail, and YouTube. You guys are on YouTube, so you probably know what it is. I don't really have to explain. But yeah. Then I have Mario Kart. I actually love playing this game with like my siblings and stuff, but it takes up so much space. It is literally crazy, but I love it either way because it's a really nice game. It's really the only game And then I have another folder just called Random because it has random maps in it, like the most random maps you can, like it's not very organized, but so the first app I have there is IBCB's PaintX, whatever you say, and I'm not very happy because I haven't done a drawing on there in ages. I have done one, but then I deleted it again. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I would show you if I could. And then I have this word cookies game. It's really good. I play it sometimes to help me fall asleep. If I just can't fall asleep, then it does help me fall asleep. Yeah, it's a really good game. I recently downloaded it, as you can tell. But yeah, it's really not an ad coming on. Then I have a school app, and I have Zen Flip Clock, which is like the clock that you see in my like the background of my videos. Sometimes I put it there just to, you know, add that look. And the last app I have is Study Buddy. It's such a good app. It's an app where you kind of have a bunny, Study Bunny. You have a bunny, and then you can like set it to a certain time, certain amount of minutes or hours or whatever, and then you kind of earn money after that, and then you can feed your bunny or buy some stuff like at the shop. Kind of has like a shop over there, and then you can buy food and stuff like that. And I think it's a really cute app, so I use it sometimes when I have to study. It's on my phone mainly because most of the time I study on my iPad, but I do use it sometimes, and I think it's such a cute app. And if you study or yeah, I'd recommend it. Yeah, it's really good. And yeah guys, that's it for my what's on my iPad. This was probably very boring. I don't know, it was very simple because I don't really have that much on my iPad since I only use it for editing and school. Anyways, thank you for watching. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye.
They call me Mr. Tips.